Hi guys, welcome to Karen's Corner. You know, I've been saving up for a Loungefly backpack. Of course, an Alice in Wonderland backpack. No, it's not a backpack, it's a purse. And it is of the caterpillar, a huge mushroom with a caterpillar on top. Not very handy as a purse, but it looks amazing. So I've been saving up for that. But then I was stupid enough. Well, stupid enough. I opened the Shop Disney Europe website and I saw this. Yeah, awesome, isn't it? Anyway, I saw this. Look at this. It is the Mad Hatter's teacups, the spinning teacups. And look at Alice. I think, oh, I hope you can you see it? Look at cute little Alice. She is so gorgeous. She's so cute. She's got a cup of tea and she's sitting in a spinning teacup. And it has a bit of that old-fashioned vintage 50s feel, I think. I just love it, and I love this over here. The way this looks, it just makes me very happy. Don't know why, it just does. And then you have the March Hare drinking a cup of tea. I think there is tea in his teacup. Oh, they all have tea in their teacups. You have the Mad Hatter in a spinning teacup, and again Alice. And then it starts again. Isn't it an awesome thing? I saw it and I thought, oh, well, this is awesome. To be honest, this one doesn't really interfere with me saving up for a backpack, because this one I got from my hubby, from Jan. So sweet. And look inside, it has spinning teacups. Let me spin it around. Get it. I just love the spinning teacups so much. Whenever I'm in Disneyland, which is not that often, but when I go to Disneyland, I really want to go into the spinning teacups ride, because it's just amazing. I can't swirl it around too much because I get really nauseous, but I still love it. So when I saw this, I had to have it. And then my husband said, you know what, you can have it, you can buy it, I'll treat you. So yes, so I've got this beautiful, beautiful bowl. And I'm gonna put it in my collection and put something in here, but so that you can still see the teacups. So I'm not sure what yet, but it is so gorgeous. But they had something else. Of course they did. Look at it. It doesn't want to focus. It's so insane. Ta-da! It's again the Mad Hatter's teacups, the spinning teacups with all these beautiful, beautiful teacups, and then the Mad Hatter in the middle. And look at him. I just think this is such an awesome illustration. It's so beautiful. And the colors are a bit bright to my taste, but still they are so nice together that I really like this line. I like this as well. Maybe they have a teacup as well. I haven't checked the site in a while because it wasn't cheap. So I couldn't buy my backpack anymore, but look at this. I'm gonna save up again. It's so gorgeous. When I saw it, I thought, oh, it's a tin tray. That's amazing. That's nice. I can put it on a shelf somewhere, or have, because you don't want to have stuff stacked up on here. You don't see it anymore. But when it's a tin thing, you know, like this is totally different. But oops, I have this. A cute tin. I like having stuff like that, but it's not too heavy, so then you can put it somewhere that it doesn't slide off your shelf. Am I making sense? Anyway, I thought it was a tin tray, but it isn't. It is, I think, my gosh, 4 or 5 kilos. It's so heavy. It's made out of I don't know what it's made out of. What do you call this? It's I wanted to say porcelain. It's ceramic, I think you call it. It is huge and it's so heavy. So I have no idea where to put this on my shelves. I can't put it on a shelf, it's too wide. And I can't put it up like this because I'm afraid it'll fall. So now I have this wonderful thing and I have no idea where, I don't know where to put it. It's a bit more heavy than I thought, but it is amazing. So I'm sure I'll find a nice spot for it. It's just so gorgeous, but I just don't want to put something, if you put this on top of it, you don't see the Mad Hatter anymore. I don't know, I'll find a spot, but it is beautiful, but it wasn't cheap. And now I know why, because it's not just a tin little thing, it's huge ceramic heavy thing. Well, that was interesting, wasn't it? I hope they're gonna do more of this line. I mean, there should be a teacup, right? So maybe there is by now, because this was last week when I saw this. So every now and then I check in on the website. It's Shop Disney Europe, because I used to buy at Shop Disney UK and they had way more Alice in Wonderland items. Shop Disney Europe has almost nothing, sometimes 3 items. And Shop Disney .com has so many Alice items. And then when you go to Tokyo, okay, anyways, Europe most of the time only has 3 or 4 items, but no, they had way more, and I had never seen these before. And wow, so I saw them and I was so excited, and I said, oh, I can get that backpack later, which I hope I can, because it's a special one, so I need to save up. Anyway, yeah, I just couldn't resist. Just, yeah. And now I think, do they have teacups? I really want to check the website again, but is that sensible? No, it isn't. But you know, Mad Hatter. But there was one more item. I didn't get a backpack, but I did get this. Oh, you can see the camera. Hi guys. It's a cup of tea. This is tea. And this is a purse. So I've been saving up for this is as well a Loungefly purse as well. Disney Parks Loungefly. It's a special for the Disney parks. So I have been saving up for that one special purse. And I thought it was pretty expensive. Well, this one is less expensive, but still, it's a Loungefly purse. So, yeah, I'm broke again. But it's okay. I get my allowance pretty soon again. Yes, guys, if you're new here, I have an allowance. I have to have an allowance because I love buying Alice stuff and craft stuff. And we'd go broke if I didn't have an allowance. So I've been married for 38 years, and I think I've had an allowance for 35 years of them. It's so much easier. My husband has one as well. If you're a collector or you like spending money on too many items, on craft supplies or whatever, it's very handy to have a budget, to have an allowance. And that's yours, and you can spend it on whatever you want that month, or save it up and spend it on something. And so we do that. So I never tell my husband, you've got so many books, do you need one more? No, it's his allowance. He can do with it whatever he wants. And the same goes for me. It's really nice, guys. On the other hand, I have an allowance and I have to save up for stuff because I really want that other backpack, but that's not going to happen soon. So I normally don't like to talk that much about money, but this is a really great tip if you like to spend a lot of money on collections or craft supplies or whatever. And you know, sometimes you can start feeling guilty about it, or you just spend way too much. When you have an allowance, you can spend whatever you like as long as it's not more than you have in your allowance. Yes, I'm 57 and I do still have pocket money. But anyway, it really does work because my husband never says, really, do you need to buy that? I mean, don't you have enough? It's my pocket money, my allowance. I can do whatever I want with it. But he never says that because he likes all the stuff that he likes my collection very much. So anyway, little tip for you. So, but this backpack, guys, no, I keep saying backpack. This is a purse as well. It's a teacup. It's just a teacup with beautiful flowers and a golden edge. Isn't it awesome? It's so beautiful. It's not very, well, practical, but it is awesome. And then over here you have another teacup stacked on top of each other. Look at it. It's so awesome. And then over here you have a zipper with a little Mad Hatter. The cute vintage Mad Hatter. I absolutely love it. And well, over here you can put on the straps and then you have a purse. Because like I said, this looks like tea. It shimmers a little bit. I love it so much that it looks like there's tea in here. And then on the inside, guys, it's so beautiful. Ta-da! And it's actually surprisingly big. It's bigger on the inside. Oh, it's a Doctor Who purse. Anyway, you have this beautiful colored strap. I love this color together. So, yeah, only this. I mean, come on. But, okay, like this. Isn't it gorgeous? So you have, it's like falling down the rabbit hole when you look at it. It's the Mad Hatter with his spinning teacups. And it is gorgeous. I just love it so much. So, maybe one day I might use it for when I go I don't know, to a birthday or something special, and you use it just once or twice. This is something I really like just looking at, so it's in my collection. It just stands on the shelf, and it makes me very, very happy to look at. But every now and then you can use them. If you just use them every now and then, they will stay really nice. So actually, it isn't that bad of a purse. It has a lot of space in it. But isn't it amazing? Can you imagine walking around with 2 teacups? I can. And I probably will. So, yeah, I just wanted to share this with you. My beautiful backpack. I keep saying backpack. Why? Because I do have a lot of backpacks. I don't have that many Loungefly purses. They're all backpacks. I think that's it. No, I do have a lot of them. Okay. Anyway, I have this beautiful thing. I just gonna put it over here. And then I have this wonderful, cute, I want to say little bowl, but it's a big bowl as well. And then this tiny little, very handy tray. That's so easy to use. It's not heavy at all. So, but look at it. This is in the same color, so it belongs with this line. And I absolutely adore it. Is this Loungefly? No, it's Disney. So that's fun. Do they do that more often? I don't know, actually. This is a Loungefly backpack, but it really is the same. It's the same line. So I absolutely love this. I just love it so much. I can't put it over here because then you don't see the Mad Hatter again. But it is amazing. So I got this one from my sweet husband, and I treated myself to this one. And yes, I'll probably get the other one as well, but I just need to save up a little, maybe sell some stuff because I really want it. So do I go online now and see if they have teacups? Would be stupid, right? Okay, that's it for today. I'm gonna go open my laptop and just browse randomly. Not on Shop Disney. That's it for today. All that's left to say is groetjes uit Wonderland, greetings from Wonderland. And then maybe next time you'll see something else from this line. I don't know. I don't even know if there is something else, and I'm not gonna check. Yes, I am.